If you've got a USG LITE 60AX, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Remote Access VPN using Nebula platform, from IT configuration to Mac user connection. Here's how. Let's start with the admin side. Log into Nebula with your Zyxel account. From the menu, go to Configure, then Security Router, and select Remote Access VPN. Enable the IPsec VPN server. This allows users to connect securely from outside the office. Under Authentication, click Create Cloud Auth Account. Create a user account that will be used to log into the VPN. Set email, username, and password, then click Create User to proceed. Now download the VPN configuration file. Send the file securely to the employee or user. Let's switch to the employee side to set up the VPN on their Mac. Click the file to begin installation. Open the folder, then go into the IPsec VPN subfolder. You'll find a mobile config file and a README document. You can check the README first for the installation notes. Double-click the mobile config file to install the VPN profile. Click OK to continue. In System Settings, go to General, then scroll down and select Device Management. Click on the profile labeled from Zyxel to review its details. After reviewing the profile details, click Install to proceed. You'll be prompted to confirm that you trust the profile. Go ahead and click Install. Follow the prompts and enter your Mac password when required. The profile will now appear under VPN in System Settings. Click the info icon to the profile to view or edit its settings. When prompted, enter your Mac password again to authorize changes, then click Modify Settings to continue. Change the authentication type from certificate to username. Enter the username and password provided by the admin. Now toggle the switch to connect. You should see the status turn green. Let's switch back to the admin view. The admin can now return to Nebula to verify the user connection. From the side menu, go to Monitor, then Security Router, and select VPN connections. Here, you can check the login account, assigned IP, and connection uptime. The tunnel is now active. Now you know how to set up Remote Access VPN on USG LITE 60AX with Nebula for Mac users. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to leave a comment or join the conversation on our community.